Okay, so just a short video to show off the Massive, but now in red. Red's a pretty good colour, kind of traditional in toolboxes. Same as the other Massives, obviously catches to open the drawers, roller bearing slides, heavy-duty casters, comes with drawer liners, rubber mats, gas struts for the lid, obviously finished off nicely on the edges, good strong heavy-duty handles. A lot of the bigger drawers have double ball bearing slides, obviously to cope with extra weight. And the drawers more or less pull out to full capacity, near enough level to the face of the top, the drawer above it. So there's no sort of fiddling around underneath. They come out a good distance, so you can get to everything and see everything in your drawers, which is good. The bottom drawer here again, double runners, but quite a deep drawer for larger tools. All round good box really. Obviously comes with 10-year warranty, so if you get any problems with runners or casters or anything such as that, we keep them in stock. But in fairness, on a box like this, I can't see there being many issues. But yeah, really good quality. Really like the colour. Yeah, quite impressive.